Net is lower. வருது இவ்வளோ இருக்கு பக்கம். Hello. Hello, we'll be starting in a minute. See, if your screen is a bit blurred, probably I would suggest you to go to the YouTube player. In the YouTube player, there will be a setting box, right? Gear-like box, setting box. I'll just show you. So if this is your YouTube player, this is your settings box. Go to the settings box and you can adjust this either by speed or through normal. You can increase this ratio here to have a clearer screen. But கேக்குதா ஸ்கிரீன் வருதா ஸ்கிரீன் என்ன வருது okay fine. So yeah, we'll be starting now. Give me 2 minutes. I will help you create your own free .in or .com websites to brand yourself when you search for the job. So you might have heard that many professionals use in the job market. So it is high time that you create a website on your own, so that you can also brand yourself much better. Okay, so guys, if you are able to check the screen, can you please say yes in the chat box? Screen, yeah, chat box will be next to your YouTube player, probably in the comment box section. If you're using mobile browser, probably you have to check. So can you see the screen, guys? Ramakrishnan Muthiya, you are not able to check the screen, is it so? Okay, probably refresh once, you should be able to check. Okay, I was told that we will be joined by Mr. Krishnamurthy and Mr. Janardhan in a couple of minutes, so we'll be starting soon. So in the meantime, I would like to introduce myself. I am Shankar and I run this Metaforum Technologies. So probably would have seen our website, our previous webinars, our ebooks, and our video blogs, and other materials. And if you want to understand us better, I would suggest you to go to the download sections of our website and check the ER diagram, entity relationship diagram of our training process, as well as use case diagram of our training process. Okay. Now, I'm sure, is Janara available now? Okay, I'll do one thing. leave this call now. I'll connect back. You can stay back and probably refresh the screen to check the video. Okay. Okay, guys. Sorry for this delay. Okay. So I'd like to welcome all of you to this live webinar. Uh, this is Shankar from Metaforum Technologies, Vadapalani, and this webinar is regarding creation of free website or free.com or .in website to promote yourself in the job market. Here I will tell you how to create, how to register a domain, how to host a website freely for at least 1 year. This is from any top level domain. I'm telling you .com or .in, but actually it is for any domain. Okay, you can even go for .co.in, you can go for .ac.in. So any top level domain, this will work out. So if you are not able to see the screen generally, please refresh. I think this is getting connected now. Please refresh your screen. Okay, so if you are not able to check again, I repeat, please refresh. It is now working. Hope Ramakrishnan Muttaya, Janar Krishnamurthy are able to see the screen. Now we'll start. So creating a free website for marketing yourself. So why you need a website? Why you need a website? You need website because any Tom, Dick, and Harry these days is having one. Is it a correct? Yeah, probably in a way it is true. Even small shop, they're using websites to promote themselves. As a professional, you should definitely use one of them to convey yourself, to convey your skill set, convey your ability, convey the projects that you handled, convey the skills that you possess, training that you underwent, stuff like that. Okay, so now there are many free, not many, there are at least few companies that provides free domain, these top level domain, and free hosting for 1 year. So you can book them free of cost, at least for a year, and you can promote yourself by specifying about me, that is about yourself, about the skill set, about the projects that you worked, about the trainings that you underwent, and about supporting documents like certificate, like certificate, testimonials, etc. And then probably in this website you might include few hands-on demonstrations, like proof of concepts, POCs, and snapshots of the project. Of course, the project secrecy or credentials should not be lost. You should be careful in sharing them, but you can do that. And also you can have something like hire me option, where you can specify the kind of jobs profiles that you're looking for, and also you can have contact details. You need to have all these things in your website in order to create a positive impact about yourself. Point number one, in order to clearly explain yourself to the potential recruiters. Point number two, in order to brand yourself. Point number three, in order to promote yourself in this job market. Point number four, and in order to have strong followers. Point number five. So as I said, any Tom, Dick, Harry is having a website these days. You being a techie definitely should have a website to promote yourself. Now I'm telling you few companies that provides free website. Very important information. Probably you might have aware about this. This is called go to business. This is Google's initiative. Is also called as Google My Business. Just type Google My Business. They will offer you free .in website. You can register it with your PAN card or your mobile number for 1 year. And most important that I would personally recommend is you can use Zoho. Zoho's free website. It's an absolutely amazing feature from Zoho. Okay, you can create a free non-commercial .com or .in or .co.in websites. You can book the domain free and you can host it free of cost. And to create this Zoho website, you need not have any practical skill set or knowledge on web design. You just drag and drop. Just drag and drop and you can create a top-notch website. And you can create a top-notch website by just dragging and dropping various web elements. Today, I will show you how to create this free .in Zoho website and publish a website in a single step. Just a second. உங்களோட பேன் கார்டு வச்சுக்கிட்டா இல்லை ஆல்ரெடி இருக்கிறத சின்ன பண்ணிக்கிட்டாங்க சீக்கிரசி வெளில போவாங்கன்னு நினச்சிங்களா? ஓகே சார். நீங்கள் வேற பண்ணிக்கிங்க சொல்கிறேன் சீக்கிரசி போகக்கூடாதுன்னு நினைக்கிறீங்க. ஓகே ஃபைன். ஸோ YouTube. Okay. See, the link of this video or playback of this video is available in the YouTube in the same link. Okay, there is no need for any one of you to record in order if you lost the class. It will be available in the same link in the YouTube. Now I'll tell you how to create this free website. Just go to Google and type Zoho free website or Zoho free.com website. Okay, this comes only for India. You should have a valid Indian PAN card in order to use this facility, and according to this facility you can use this PAN card for only booking one domain. Okay, if you want to use more than one domain, you have to use some other PAN card. So the second option, just go to zoho.com India bundle.html. It's a bit delayed over there. Okay. So now you can check the availability of your website. For example, let us take your name is Johnny, and you're looking for Selenium, you are looking for Selenium jobs. Let us say Selenium Johnny, or let us say testing on. Normally, you don't require any other thing. Just you can check whether the testing john.in is available, or if you want testing john.co.in, you can check the availability here.
Possible to create .com domain?
Yes, yeah, Mr. Raja is asking that whether it is possible to create .com domain. .com domain sometimes Zoho enables, sometimes disables. If you want to, if you are very specific about .com domain, you have to start this process in the beginning of the month, not at the end of the month. Now this is almost September 28th, so probably the quota will be over. You should start at the beginning of the month. Okay, Raja?
Okay.
Okay. Okay, fine. So check availability. So testingjohn.in is available. It's great. Okay, now you can go and book this. You can see you'll get 100% ad free website. You can custom and create your own website. You have your own unlimited domain hosting, unlimited storage. Everything comes free of cost. Even mobile websites, Zoho Mail, Zoho Docs, all comes free of cost for 1 year. You can integrate with Dropbox. I'll tell you what, you can even integrate with your PayPal and you can collect payments online, or you can pay online. There is absolutely, in fact, I would say absolutely there is no other template as good as Zoho. The current scenario is concerned. As far as business website is concerned, yes, WordPress is good for design perspective. From business perspective, Zoho is the best. For promotional purpose perspective, Zoho is the best. So just continue. You'll be asked to fill all these details. Just give your name, last name, mobile number. A verification code will be sent to this number, and you must give the PAN number of you or TIN number of your company if you run a business, and you must give email and one-time password. The company name. If you don't work for any company, just give any random name, no problem. Okay, and business category. See, if you are just a student and looking for promoting yourself, or a technocrat looking for promotion of yourself, you can probably choose any one of these that is related to your career. For example, if you are an IT guy, you probably can choose IT and the telecom services. Okay, and then you can use any, probably if you can John at as a preferred email, you can use John at testing.in. So you'll have a customized email as well, and then can you fill out all these details, pin code, and you can agree to the Zoho newsletter, and all you have to do is sign up. Since I have already used my quota of signing up one website, I cannot do it again. Probably I will go to the domain, okay, sites.zoho.com. If you register there successfully, it will send you an email, one time password via your mobile OTP, and then it will send you an email. You just have to confirm the email. That's it. From there, you have to go to sites.zoho.com. From here, you have to mention the email and the password that you have created in the previous step to enter the control panel. Control panel is a place where you create your web pages, where you publish your website, where you design your web page. So just log in. By your username or password. So probably if you forget no issues. Just give forget password and recover your password. So it's all very simple in Zoho. Give your registered email. And there will be a captcha, of course, to prevent robots from flooding the database. So an email was sent to my email ID. I can go and fetch it. Oh. So give me a minute. I will come up with this verification process because I have logged in some other Gmail ID. So I'll be using my mobile to actually verify my password. So it's as simple as this. You just have to give username, password, PAN number, email ID, and other details just to register. Okay. And then once registration process is over, go to your email ID and activate your account. Once that process is over, go to sites.zoho.com and give your username and password to login. So I'm in the process of recovering my password. So probably it might take up to 20 seconds. I'll be back and we will resume this process of creating free website. Okay, I'm done. So now I know my password. That's it. Once you go to the website, probably you can go for two-factor authentication. That is, whenever you log in, a message will be sent to your mobile number. From there, you can take the control, or if you want, you can skip that step. From here, it's absolutely simple to create web pages and publish them. So, for example, I have 3 accounts with this Zoho. So I've entered for account number 1, and here you can easily create any sites. For example, if you want to choose themes, go to themes and choose gallery. First step is normally choosing your theme. So what kind of theme you want your website to be? So you want it to be education, or probably choose portfolio. I would suggest you to go with either education or portfolio. That will be better. I'll be choosing this portfolio. So there will be various themes. You can preview all these themes and then you can choose. anyone that you like. For my website, I have chosen an education theme. This is a theme I have chosen for my website. Okay, since I ran an education institution, I thought I should go for this. For you, the goal is to promote yourself. So I would say go for portfolio and choose, and you can check the preview for your website, and then you can choose them if you want. Okay, see, for me, I'm not going to use this because I have already chosen an education theme. Okay, so the idea is that once the theme is ready, you can give your photo here, okay, as a banner. Okay, by dragging and dropping this image over here, you can choose your photo and you can upload there, or you can upload your photo here. Okay, and probably you can connect with all your social media icons, Facebook, Twitter. Everything is possible just by going to this apps here and just use this button, drag and drop here. If you want to use Facebook, if you want to use Twitter, just drag and drop. It's a self-learning tool, not much to add. Okay, I'm just giving an overview or highlight of what can be done. So choose a nice profile picture of yourself here. Okay, in the place of logo, this is a default logo. You can change to your logo, and you can put your image here, or you can put your technology here by going to these elements and choosing an image. You can put your technology, Selenium or ABAP or whatever technology, and you can connect to all the widgets in apps. Okay, so these are the things that you can do, and I would suggest you to create number of pages. For example, you can create a page about me. As I said, these are the pages that I would like to, that I would like you to create about me, where you can talk about yourself, your degree, your qualification, how you came into this technology, basic skill set, etc. And then you can create one more page. You can create one more similar page. Once this page about me page is over, once you have given all your information, you just give, for example, I'm giving about me, right? Just give okay, blank content, go okay. And then here you can drag and drop whatever you want. For example, you want about myself. And you can give a brief introduction about yourself by dragging and dropping this paragraph. So myself, Shankar, or in this case, as I said, it should be John, right? Myself, John, senior manual test engineer, with looking to get into automation testing, stuff like that. About yourself and what you are looking to do, and just mention about your uh, project experience and stuff like that. Okay, so totally 5 years experience and working for 2 clients, stuff like that. Okay, and then you can use probably a video here, a video button here, and you can give the link from YouTube. Okay, for example, in this case, we are running Metaforum, right? So Metaforum, let us say webinar, something. So probably I suggest you to create a simple video about your skill set. Okay, you need not even show your face. Like you can just record your video using screen capture tools like Cam Studio or WMCH, and then upload that video into YouTube, and then search that video from here and choose the correct video and just give okay. That video will be there in your homepage. So you'll have about me, where you are clearly explaining about yourself, your qualification, where you graduated from, college name, where are you coming from, what are your interest, what is the total number of years of experience, and what are the skill sets that you possess, what is the skill set that you want to move into. Give all the details, at least around 6 to 7 lines here, and then give a brief YouTube introduction about yourself, followed with various professionally maintained links to Facebook, Twitter, stuff like that. Okay, and probably you can use columns here, or let us say if you don't want to use columns, you can use tabs where you can summarize. For example, summarize tab 1. You want to edit the name, just give edit name. So tab 1 could be name, and then qualification. So you can summarize. And then you can keep on adding tabs. Skill set, age, present organization, stuff like that. You can keep on adding, and you can just give the values. So for example, name, you want to give a value to the name. So normally you can use this paragraph to give the name. So name should be like, let us say, John Singh, right? So when you go to qualification, again you can use this paragraph. You can give BE in computer science and engineering. And skill set, again you can use this paragraph. You can mention manual testing, 5 years experience, trained in selenium testing. Okay, stuff like that. Okay, so you can keep on adding any number of tabs that I leave to your imagination. Okay, similarly you can use all those options to design your web page. It is very simple self-learning tool. I'm not going to explain everything. So once this page is over, once you have created this page, what you can do, you can go to publish. A page will be published, and about me page will be published. As simple as that. Okay, see, if I go to my website, preview site, this about me will be there. I can even see that from my web page. So you just click that, and whatever that you have created about yourself will be there. So your name, myself John, your video, your qualification, your skill set, your testimonials. Add a column for testimonial, add a paragraph for testimonial. Okay, so just keep on creating. Suppose you want, suppose no, if you have wrongly created a page, you want to delete a page, that is also possible. Just go to page options and unpublish it. As simple as that. If you want, you can remove any page. Okay, so similarly you can create pages for skill set, detailed skill set, and the projects that you have worked, the client details, your job description, and the trainings and certifications that you underwent. And you can have a separate page for supporting documents. You use the image to display your certificate and testimonials from your clients. And then you can have one section for video page where you can give sample videos, 4 or 5 videos. In the about me page, you have created one video now. Similarly, you can have 4 or 5 videos specifically related to your technology, and you can give that in this page. And you can use hire me page. Here you can mention clearly what is the kind of job that you are looking for, okay, and why you are suitable for that job. And of course you can your contact details. And it's very simple. Create everything just by going to this create page, create new page, stuff like that. And then once the page is over, just go and publish. That's it. Okay. So these are create a free website. This website is free, absolutely free for 1 year. After 1 year, you might have to pay and renew. According to the current scenario, it is just $5 to renew. $5 is approximately 300 rupees. Not much of a deal. Okay, you can have unlimited pages. Okay, and probably you can use PAN card of your wife, your parents, your friends to create any number of website. But I would not suggest you to do those things, because credibility is the most important thing when it comes to job market. Okay, so you must have only one profile, and that profile must reflect absolutely about your credentials. Okay, so that's about it. If you have any doubt, you can type in the box. So if you don't have any if you don't have any error, sorry, if you don't have any previous, so if you don't have any questions, probably I think I should wind up the session. So someone is asking a question. Okay, so if you have any question, what you can do is you can send that question to my email ID. My email ID is shankar@metaforumtechnologies.com. Okay, or you can mention the question in the comment box here. Okay, thank you. Bye. Thank you.